What's up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. And if you read this title, then you should see I'm doing another wig review. I've been MIA. I'm trying to be consistent and, you know, keep posting, but we shall see. But if you want to see this wig review, then let's get right into this video. So this wig right here is the Awesome Luxury Hair, and the color is Honey Blonde. That's what it's saying. It do have hair care instructions in the back. Number 1, detangle the hair before wash. Number 2, soak the wig using mild conditioning shampoo. Number 3, gently swish the hair and avoiding pulling or rubbing. Number 4, condition and rinse by letting water run through the hair. Number 5, pat dry excess water. It says excess water, but it meant to say excess water. Number 6, gently finger brush and lay hair on a flat surface to dry. Number 7, dry naturally or use blow dryer with diffuser. Number 8, this human hair blend can only be curled at 380. This is a blend with Synthetica and human hair, child. Okay, more realistic hairline, ready to wear and easy to style, tangle free, natural baby hairs. And I paid $54.99. So do y'all see this? This wig is $26.99 and I paid $59.99. That means they got me. I'm tight. Moral of the story, Google it before you purchase it, because you can get it cheaper somewhere else. Because this was the display and they didn't have any more of this color right here. Oh, it comes in multiple colors. It has 1B, 2, chocolate brown, which is the one that I have, and copper orange, ombre red, ombre golden blonde, and honey brown in a 613. And this is the HBTL Luna. That's the style of the wig. It's a Luna. Alright. So, taking it out the pack, I see that the hairline is not that bad. It's like your typical, you know, hairline, which is alright for me. It doesn't look HD to me, but when you put it to the camera, it looks transparent, HD, but in real life, it doesn't. So we shall see. It has combs in the nape area, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and it has the adjustable band, so you can wear glueless. But let's just put this on my head and see what it's giving. Do I want to tighten it? I don't think I want to tighten it because I'm going to be drinking and I don't want to have a headache. I already had a headache not too long ago. So, oh yeah, she's kind of tight. I like her though. She's getting a little snagged. What's going on over here? Come on, Luna, give me life. This is a real cute wig bob. Stop playing B&B, you know I want the bobs. Okay, yes, I like this a whole lot. So let's just cut the lace off and attempt to do some baby hairs. I'm not too sure if I want to do baby hairs. It's like a real straight line. Like, where the baby hairs at? It do needs to get plucked. Definitely. It's like a straight line. Who in the line is that straight? Except for the Kardashians. I don't care too much for the sides because the sides is not going to be showing. Hopefully I won't be a maniac tonight. Put some powder on the lace. Call it a motherfucking day. When I get nice, then I'll pluck it. I feel like this is a cute bob. Look at me! Oh, I feel like this is a cute bob. It doesn't really go from ear to ear. It stops right here, which is fine because I'm not gonna be whipping my hair back and forth like Willow. So you really don't have to do much. Just flatten the hair down. This is my braid. I wish my braid was flatter. Yeah, this bob is cute. This is a cute ass bob. Cute as fuck. I give this bob a 10 out of 10. This is my braid right here that I feel like is bulking a little bit. This one too. But other than that, look at the blend. This is so adorable, and it comes up at the back. Let me show you the 360 of the back. So this is the back of the head. It comes all the way up, and then it comes down like an asymmetrical type of thing, but not too far down, which is good. I really like the color of the bob. I love how it's brown and like light brown. I love the shape of the hair. Like everything is a 10 for me. Like it's not shedding, it's not tangling. I mean, it was at first, but it's not really tangling, it's not shedding. I'm loving it. Yeah. So 10 out of 10 for me. If you guys like it, comment down below 10, 10, 10. And yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace. I would like to get to know you.